This video is just to go a bit into detail how to stick the pockets for this set, and it's a set of 4, so 2 comes as a envelope tag shape and 1 is a bit more, 2 are a bit more squarey, and it also comes with matching paper for the back, and next to each page there'll be the other bits that goes in it, but you can mix and match obviously. On the last page you will see that there is a large paper, should fit two backings for each, just to trim it into size and stick it back to the big main card. Just a quick explanation how to attach the pockets. So for the rectangle shape, basically there is the main card on the file and 2 pockets, and the middle one, which is a bit larger, I stick at the very bottom and this one goes on top. There are flaps to each one, so you fold the flaps and you apply glue to the flaps only and stick. Same for this one, and it comes with all these pretty pieces. And same for this one. All this comes inside. Again, there is the main card, so the 2 pockets kind of create a continuation of the main card. There are flaps to each pocket, so there is one here and there is one there. This one is the larger pocket you stick at the very bottom, and the smaller one goes on top, so you've got these 2 compartments. For these 2, there is one main large tag, this mini kind of envelope pocket style. It comes again with flaps, which you fold all 3 and stick at the bottom so it goes on top, and it comes with other pretty bits. Same for this one, probably my fave out of the 4. So the pocket you stick on top of the main card, and it comes with all these pretty things that you can tuck in. Thank you for watching. It's a quite easy kit actually to assemble, but it comes with loads and loads of pretty things.